Creating a functional and aesthetically pleasing toilet partition system is now easier than ever thanks to Ironwood's innovative Configurator. In just 6 simple steps, you can design a customized solution tailored to your specific needs, all in under 90 seconds. In step 1, you may choose high-pressured laminate, compact laminate, or wood veneer. The last 2 options require a brief consult with a member of our support team. Step 2. Select a door style. We have several options including flat panel, molding, captured panel, door light, and louvered. In the 3rd step, you choose the door and panel heights. Ironwood provides 3 standard sizes, but call us for a consult if you require sizes outside of these options. We are always happy to help. Step 4. Select the edge style and privacy level for your partitions. In step 5, you can choose either headrail braced or floor-to-ceiling mounting styles. The 3 remaining choices are available, but due to complexity, require a brief conversation with a member of our support team. And finally, in step 6, you select the stirrup hardware option or the continuous hardware option. That's all there is to it. Once you've made your selections, the Configurator provides resources for your specification package. These include model numbers, budget indicators, technical data sheets, and cut sheets. Need to make changes? No problem. Just a couple of clicks and the documentation updates seamlessly. When you're satisfied with your design, download the resources for use in your project. And remember, if your design preferences extend beyond the Configurator's parameters, feel free to reach out to us here at Ironwood for a personalized consultation. Have fun creating your designs with Ironwood's easy-to-use Configurator.